What up?
Uptown Swing.
Level 1. This is
Maddie.
This is
Peter.
We did a little bit of new stuff, but a lot of review. We did Frankie Sixes. Y'all did great with that. We did
The cuddle.
the cuddle was one of our new things. You go like this: rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. We'll show it over here. Triple, triple. Notice that sneaky hand change, everybody. I go rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. I can fix my hand whenever, no big deal. Remember, you can stay in there for a while, but it makes Maddie uncomfortable, so not too long. While we're here, we also worked on the reverse. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step on the other foot, triple step, rock, step, triple step, reverse. Just mess around with that one if you like. Then we worked on this good old-fashioned tucking and turning. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. We changed places. And we talked a little bit of how if you're out here, you can say, hey, come on back in here. Or if you're dancing here, you can be like, hey, go on out there. Both of them, you gotta have a little get ready on that rock step. So my get ready is, hey, get ready. Get ready. I send my partner out. Then we had, working on that little inside turn, we put the reverse on there as well. Rock, step, triple step, psych, triple step, rock, step, triple step, reverse, triple step. You could just do a change places, followers. That's all you know it is. You're just chilling in slow motion. It's rock, step, triple step, the other foot, triple step, rock, step. Good hustle, everybody. I won't see you next week, but you're going to kill it.